Hi, my name is Ashley, and today we'll be discussing mouse and typing tutorials. This is for the computer beginner. We will explore resources that teach how to use the mouse, as well as provide hands-on practice and activities. We will also navigate resources that teach how to type, as well as improve your speed and accuracy. First, we'll go to the mouse tutorials. You want to get on the internet, and in the search bar, you'll want to type in GCF Global. Once you do that, you can either enter on your keyboard or you can click the search button. And the results will pop up. And it should be the first one. If it's not, though, it's the one that looks like this, that has this address. Okay, and once you find it, you can click on the link and it'll take you to their main website. And there's quite a few topics that they cover and that they teach about. And they're broken up into technology, work, core skills, reading and math, and so much more. But we'll go down and we'll click on all topics. And it will pull up every topic that they cover. So we'll go to the computer category. And third one down, you'll see mouse tutorial. So you'll want to left click on that. And this is an interactive tutorial on how to use a computer mouse. So we'll go ahead, you'll see number 1 and then mouse tutorial. You'll left click on here, and then it'll take you to the beginning of the tutorial. And it starts off with explaining exactly what a mouse is, where to put your hands, how to hold the mouse, as well as how to use the mouse. And it also gives you some activities to do. So let's start off with clicking. And it tells you exactly what is clicking. When you click, what are you doing? So when you click, you're interacting with the computer, telling it what to do. And it then tells you how to click. Press and release the left mouse button with your index finger. So it has this little button down here that you can left click on and you can practice on and just get used to using the mouse. And if you keep scrolling down, they'll take you over other topics, roll over, how to double click, how to use the mouse to drag and drop. And with each one, they do provide activities. So you can get some hands-on learning. So we will exit out of this. And we're now going to go to another mouse tutorial. Okay, so it's called Mousercise, and it's at this address. So you'll want to type that in real quick. I'll wait a few seconds. Okay, and then once you type that in and you hit enter, it'll take you to their main screen and it'll say what it's about, practice your mousing skills. You'll click the Let's Start Mousercising button below to begin. So you'll left click on here and then it'll give you some instructions. So you'll click on the link below and it gives you a little hint. So you'll click on number 1 and then now the number 2 over on the right. So you'll have to find all of these links and practice left clicking with the mouse. And then once you move on, once you complete, it'll move on to some precision clicking. So you'll have to click a specific number that they tell you. And the exercises get harder from here. So you can get more used to using the mouse and get more comfortable with that tool. I'll now show you some typing tutorials. So you'll definitely, if you're a very beginner, you'll want to start with the mouse exercises. And then once you're comfortable with using the mouse, you'll want to move on to the keyboard and learn how to type. So I will exit out of this and we'll go back to the GCF Global website. So if you just type in GCF Global into the search bar and you click enter, that website that we first went to will come up again. And you can click on here. And we'll go again to all topics. And again to computers, but this time we'll go one more down and we'll click on typing tutorial. And we'll click on typing. And you'll want to log in and create an account if you want to keep your progress. So if you don't want to keep coming back and starting over again each time you enter the website, you'll want to create an account and save, and you can just pick up where you did last time. So you have two options. You can either learn how to type or you can practice. So we'll click on Learn. And you pick Start. And you go through each of the little paths until you're proficient, and then you move on to the next one. And it loads exercises and activities that you can do to reinforce what you've learned. And sometimes it takes a bit to load. Okay, it's almost there.
So you want to learn to type. Excellent. If you follow us and go through this course, giving it all you got, I'd say that you'll be up and typing pretty well in maybe a couple of weeks or so. It's really going to be up to you. Now, if you're thinking a couple of weeks, that's way too long, then you might want to rethink your expectations a bit, because learning to type takes time. Time to memorize the finger key positions, time to build up your muscle memory so you can then start to type fluidly without looking at the keyboard. People have been learning how to type for decades, and it's no secret what works and how to go about it. The difference with our course is that we have added elements and feedback.
And it'll give you a bit of introduction to the typing tutorial. And you can go back if you want to skip that. And you can click Learn again, and you can click on some words. So we'll go ahead and click on the FJ that was on the path. And it'll load the game again and the lesson.
First, let's learn the keys F and J. F is your left, J is your right. Now take some time to think about that. F is your left, F is your left, and J is your right. When you're ready, we'll move into practicing each one. So which one is left? F. Now which one is right? J. So now let's start practicing these two letters. Remember, it's important at each step to focus for as long as you can on what's happening. And it's okay to go in and out of focus. That's completely normal. Now here's the keyboard. In order to type fast, you place your hands in this position. Go ahead and place your hands.
And it will walk you through various exercises, where to place your hands, and it gets increasingly more difficult as you go on. But it starts with the simple letters that are easy to use first, F and J, and so on. We'll go to the next one. So this one is called Typing Club. And again, if you want to log in, you probably want to go ahead and do that. But we'll go ahead and just click Get Started. And so you can click on whichever ones you want to start with. So Introduction to Typing, or you can just go keys F and J. You can also, to the right, take a placement test if you're not quite sure where you are. And you can scroll down as well if you want to see all of the lessons. But you do want to log in to take advantage and to unlock these other lessons. But for now, we'll click on the first one.
So, I hear you want to type like a pro. Let's start by setting up your finger positioning.
And it'll walk you through it, the finger positioning and some of the first letters that you see. And it's very similar to the last one at GCF Learn. Okay, we'll move on to the next typing tutorial. So it's typing.com and you can sign up. So you have two options, teacher login and student login. And I will just do student login. Okay, and so there's several options from the screen that you can do. So typing lessons, you can start at beginner and it'll show you the percentage amount that you've completed. And you can also print a unit certificate when you're done. So getting started, you've got the J, F, and the space. And you can click start and it'll start with the lesson. And you can also just skip the video if you don't want to see the intro video. So it gives you some instructions. Use your right index finger to type the J key and it shows you in a visual. Okay, and so you click the J key and then you press enter to begin and you just start typing. So J and then J and then J again in order to get used to it. I'll go ahead and go back to my main page and you can move down. You can go to intermediate as well as advanced. Okay, and you've also got some typing practice, some reinforcement. So if you click on here, you can do some 6th grade vocabulary reinforcement. And you can do some paragraph practice, numeric keypad practice. And you can also click on your problem keys. So if you have any problem keys that are coming up, you can go here and you can click on the lesson and you can learn it over again. That way you can get a little better with it. If we go up to the top, you'll see lessons, which is what we're in now. You can also go to test. So if after a while you want to see how fast you are, you can do a 1-minute test, a 3-minute test, or a 5-minute test. And you can also do page tests. So if you just want to type one page but not have it timed, you can do here. And you can also go to games. So you can click on whichever one it is. Let's see, type a balloon. And you can click the level of difficulty in the lesson type. And you can start playing. And we'll go to achievements next. Okay, and you can look at your achievements that you've earned, how much time you've spent typing, how many typing tests you've done. You can look at your typing speed that you've established, games played. And you can also go to themes at the top. And you can play some games and learn typing in a more fun way, more engaging way. And we'll go ahead and log out. And I'll get out of this website and then I'll go to another website. It's called powertyping.com and here is the address. And you want to make sure you're on the QWERTY keyboard, which is the standard one in the United States. And it gives you a bit of information. So the home row keys, where you put your hands, the positioning, and it gives you some tips. And then once you're good to go, you can enter the QWERTY lessons. Okay, so you select a lesson on the right. So I'll go ahead and select just the first one. And I'll go ahead and click start and I'll just start typing the letter that's underlined. And I'll progress. Okay, and you can start or stop whenever it is you want. And you can save your lessons as well. And you can also put a goal, so words per minute, WPM, that's what that stands for. So you can adjust this if you want to. So we'll go exit out of here and we'll go to the last typing tutorial. So it is this website, keybr.com. And this is the start, so you can sign in as well to get more out of the website. It'll track your progress. You'll have high scores. Okay, and you can start, click to activate, and you can start typing wherever it is you want to type. And you can also click on settings, and you can do a guided lesson for beginners, or if you're in more advanced, you can do your own. And then remember to click done when you're done. Okay, and that was it with the mouse and typing tutorials for beginners. Thank you for joining us.